Hey guys, welcome to Kristin on the Rise. I am Kristin. Now in this set of clips, you are going to watch us at Legoland, having a good old time, and I'll also show you some fireworks that we've seen at Legoland. So yeah, make sure you hit that like button as well as that subscribe button, and you know what, without further ado, here's Legoland.
Yeah, it's just a battleship is spraying them water. I'm telling you, there's something wrong with this kid.
Oh, that's nasty water! I'm wet.
What about you guys get? This is a little crazy, yeah.
Wait, get Hunter wet, get Hunter wet. Get the kid wet.
Move, Allie, move. Move, Allie.
I'll press it. I'll press it.
Allie, move. Oh, you gotta back up a little bit. You're still missing him.
God damn it.
You got him a little bit.
Alright, that's it.
You got him a little bit.
I got you the most, Daddy.
Oh, yeah. Very freaking cool, huh? I'm hoping they do get that attraction going, though. It's cool as hell. It's Paris, and it's badass. It's really badass. Stay over here. You guys disappear again, we're going right back home. Stay close. The Bay Area.
Stop screaming. Actually, that's low enough for Hunter. Oh.
Okay, that's it, Daddy.
Okay.
Touching me.
He's soaked now.
Stop. Where's the dog?
Come on, guys. Look at you, Allie. Friggin' fine. Hi, Allie. Hi. Don't let him sit. Don't let him sit, because his diaper will fill up.
Keep it on, baby.
Keep them on, Allie. Oh, you know what? Her things light up.
Hey, que yo te voy a let's go.
Hunter's all soaked because we were spraying at him and Daddy and him were spraying at us. But here they are on a ride. Woo! Here they come. They're on the boats right there. Oops. My camera don't want to, here they come. See, here they are. She's driving. Keep turning, Soph. Hi, Allie.
It's a real boat. They're actually driving the boat.
Bye, Allie. There you go, Allie. You got it.
You need help.
Well, it's her first time driving. Turn the wheel, Allie. Turn it, turn it. There you go. Ooh, too much, too much.
Turn, Allie, turn. There you go.
Keep turning.
Mommy, can I go in that?
Straight. There you go.
Mommy, can I go into the big cars?
It says it's closed.
Let me try to see if we can get one.
Is she still crossing corner to corner?
Yeah.
Everybody ready to begin the driving test? All right, guys, go. 3, 2, 1, driver's test will now begin.
What's the point? Like, why your man couldn't do it?
Because...
everything already. At the age of what, 6? She already got her freaking real right now.
7. She's 7.
Oh,
She'll be 8.
there's something wrong with this gift.
You know what it is? I think she was trying to go around the other girl, and the other girl smashed, and then she smashed into her. Here they come. Keep pressing on the gas, Soph. Go around, Soph, around. Sophie, Maya, go around. You don't have to keep bumping into them. Go around them.
I see you, baby.
Ready, set, go.
Faster, faster.
Check number 8, you guys need to get out.
Did you get the fire out? Oh, Lord. Guys, there's lizards over here. Oh, there they are. What the frick are them things? What?
Can I try the basketball hoop really quick?
No, I don't have any money.
Hey, can I go to the driving school since... Okay.
Here they come. Good job, Maya. Allie's over there trying to touch the water.
Can I go with them? Hey guys. pero she's going. Come on, Ellie. Hello, Ellie.
Here they come. There they go. See, there they are, Allie. Ready, Allie? No? You can't see them.
Mom, are you doing it from far away?
Right here at the lake. Guys, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching our Legoland adventure. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that like button as well as hit that subscribe button and the bell notification because I have so much more vlogs coming your way as well as some paranormal videos coming your way pretty soon. I am over here at the new location over in Indian Shores, Florida, which you see the beach behind me. This is our view. There's a sunset going down soon. So I got a couple of videos here at the beach for you guys in the next video going up pretty soon. So look forward to that. Remember, let's make history, not get lost in it. Much love and respect. Peace.